Today is Tuesday, August 5th. My face cam isn't going to disappear, but if we look at, oops, wrong thing. If we look at news for the week, we had a no news Monday. Yesterday I was also in Fargo, didn't trade that. Basically we just ripped to the upside the entire market open. Today we had PMI, so I was just keeping that in the back of my mind. When trading today, that we're more than likely going to not move very much until PMI. And then, yeah, so we waited until PMI, you'll see that. But if we look on hourly, we have lows here and then highs here and lows all the way down here as well. And then we also had a high time frame SMT. So I kind of kept that in my mind. And I was just kind of like, if we're going to go up, more than likely, it's just going to be a retracement. So just kind of keeping that in the back of my mind. This made me not want to take longs as much. And right off rip, we did end up sweeping liquidity to the downside on both indexes. So kind of made me like a little bit like, yeah, I don't really want to take longs. So more than likely it's going to be more retracement. And then also, shorts weren't really that appeasing based on the fact that we hadn't swept any liquidity to the upside. Stupid red mark on my face is making me angry. But yeah, if we look at S&P, we see that we had our sweep and then our push up. Then we had our 5-minute retrace. And then if we mark that, we can see that this candle was the one that strong bullish close after the 5-minute retrace, and then we entered off of here, and we ended up getting filled like on this candle and down here. But what ended up happening is I thought this was NASDAQ, so on my trade locker, I go in and I enter it on NASDAQ. And NASDAQ at the time is looking like this. So we enter in right about here. And then, yeah, I mean, we're pushing up a little bit. And then I go and set my stop loss was already set at these lows. And then I go and set my take profit. And I set it at this high. And I was like, why is it like a 0.8 risk to reward? Because on the S&P it was like a 1.4. So yeah, I was like, oh shoot, something's wrong. So I immediately just kind of like dip out of the trade right about here on NASDAQ. I don't know, it's like plus $2 or something stupid. So it doesn't matter whatsoever. But yeah, I'm gonna say $0 day. But I'm glad I got out of that because, I mean, look at, we did kind of just run to the downside, and this was mainly PMI. Like, PMI was this big old candle here. It's showing up as a bullish candle, but, like, if you look on the S&P, I mean, this is a PMI coming out. So, overall, yeah, I think we're going to maintain just kind of like a bearish trend downwards. This is our retracement, and, that's just kind of what's going to happen more than likely. So yeah, I mean, not really many sweeps of liquidity and 5-minute retraces. We kind of did have one here, and then we're going down because of that, but no 5-minute retrace to act off of. But yeah, I mean, this was price action, low-key kind of garbo. But yeah, we'll see what tomorrow brings. It's just kind of going to be a low volatility week based on not much news. But yeah, let's see what tomorrow brings.